My sister. Dash. A beautiful song at the concert. Sings, sing, sang, or is singing. Sang. Is correct answer. They. Dash. To the beach every summer. Go, goes, went, or are going. Go. Is correct answer. I. Dash. For my friend outside the cinema. Wait, waits, waited, or am waiting. Waited. Is correct answer. She. Dash. Her lunch in the cafeteria. Eats, eat, ate, or is eating. Eats. Is correct answer. We. Dash. A great time on our vacation. Had, have, has, or having. Had. Is correct answer.